Reinstall. 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 Transitive verb. Definition: place or fix, equipment or machinery in position again. Example: the spokeswoman said that after the first power cut on December 12, a decision was made to take the opportunity to upgrade the power supply rather than just reinstall similar equipment. Noun. Definition: an act of reinstalling something, especially software. Example: try performing a clean reinstall of your system software.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.